Okay, we got a super chat from KH. Any streaming tips?
Oh, yeah, definitely. So obviously, if you're streaming for the first time, I definitely would start off with StreamYard right off the jump. Get yourself a Logitech Brio camera. It literally that camera is like maybe $80 to 120 bucks. Best camera ever. The microphone in the microphone in the webcam is just as good as like even a Blue Yeti mic.
Okay.
You could do Blue Yeti, but I'm literally telling you, like if you're just trying to start this low budget as hell, I mean, you have a computer, you could just whatever a MacBook works pretty well. And then if you want a better camera, get that Logitech Brio, bro. Like that's enough right there until eventually you get enough scratch. It just depends on how serious you are, and then you can get with like because I have some fancy setups. I most of the time stream off of like a Logitech Brio, but like I literally have like I have like like a $4,000 or $5,000 fucking streaming camera and everything. I have all that stuff, and I don't even fucking use that shit.
It just sits there.
Streaming from iPhones. Shout out to the boys. Yeah, but that's what I recommend for streaming tips there, and then from there is just starting like I would tell you to probably do live streams unless it depends on the content. If you're just going to make these really elaborate, really detailed, cool videos, that's different strategy. But for most guys, probably streaming on a subject you like. It's all dependent on if you're going to do crypto, then it's just about streaming. But I would say you want to at least stream 3 times a week to get your brand started up. I mean, once people really know you can stream once a week and be fine.
Yeah.
But like you have for that first year, grind. It's gonna suck. You're not gonna get that many viewers. Then after about 8 months in is where you pass the hump, and then you really start getting a following and people really start fucking with you. And then if you're really special and really like out here, or like you're really giving good information, or you're just really like charismatic, then you pop off sooner. But it's all about the workload from there, and then being active on Twitter and putting your link out in places where people would know you are, and then hopping on people's streams wherever you can and stuff like that.
It's
and
like any business.
Just
you have to sell yourself.
Yeah, sell yourself basically, right?